Need a privacy policy for your website? In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to generate one for free using Sellzy's Privacy Policy Generator. Start by heading to sellzy.com. In the menu, go to Resources, Free Marketing Tools, and choose Privacy Policy Generator, or go directly to the link here. Firstly, enter your website's name and URL. This will personalize the privacy policy for your specific site. Next, select whether you're operating as an individual or a business. Depending on your choice, fill in your business name and location or your country. Now, select the types of personal data your website collects, such as names, email addresses, or payment information. Add your contact email so users can reach out with privacy-related inquiries. This is important for compliance with regulations like GDPR and CCPA. Click Generate, and in seconds, your privacy policy is ready. You can download it as a PDF or copy it to your site. A privacy policy isn't just a legal requirement. It helps build trust with users and is often necessary for services like Google Analytics or AdSense. That's it. Visit Sellzy's Privacy Policy Generator and get yours set up today, fast, free, and hassle-free.